Welcome to TubeCore, casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
NFT collection maker review. Hello friends and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we will talk about this software called NFT collection maker. So this is a NFT collection maker review, and as you can see we are on the sales page here, and then we have the actual demo of the product. So obviously you will need to watch this demo, otherwise you will not be able to understand what are you getting into. Okay, so yes, right now the sales page, it says unlimited trades, deep rarity setting and not available anywhere else, multi-image trades, generate massive crypto NFT art collections automatically with TDC all tech, not all artificial intelligence tech, and have them ready for sale with as little effort as humanly possible. Okay, so what are NFTs? NFTs are like some kind of digital arts related with bitcoins, and they have something to do with blockchains. So it's like you can sell these arts on some bitcoin trading platforms. I have no expertise on this subject, okay, so I don't know nothing about NFTs, I don't know nothing about blockchains, but yes, I can tell you if this will make you money or not. Okay, so yes, I can help you in making that decision, that okay, is this gonna make money for you or not. And particularly this software, NFT collection maker, this is only restricted to a narrow audience, to a specific audience, because if you do not know anything about NFTs, then obviously you don't need to get into it, right? So if you are watching this review, that means I'm assuming that you are dealing with NFTs or you have some knowledge about NFTs. If you are like me, I have zero knowledge in the sense that I have never tried anything practically with this NFT and blockchain or whatever. I have some like maybe 20% knowledge from YouTube videos about NFTs, but yes, this is not something which I have done personally, and that is why I'm saying that if you are just a newbie, you just came across with this offer in your inbox, then do not get into NFTs or do not get into something which you don't know about, right? So NFT collection maker, so technically if you go by this subject, then NFT are some digital, it's called non-fungible tokens. So you're supposed to sell some digital arts on some blockchain websites or whatever, and if somebody buys your art, okay, if somebody buys the design, the art which you create, it's a digital thing. If somebody likes it, and they will bid on your art, and then you can go into your auction, and then if somebody pays you high enough, you can sell your work to somebody else. Okay, it sounds very good in theory, but it all works on your destiny, on your luck. You don't make money with this concept every day. Okay, so nobody is gonna come and like your arts every day, and you can't. I mean, this is not a way to make money online. Okay, this is like gambling. It's not even gambling, okay, because gambling is like you go and you can gamble every day. But in this one, you have to wait for someone out of the blue to come to you and say, hey, I like your piece of work and I want to buy this. And that will happen, like 0.00 point, there's like, I don't know, there's 0.0.0. There's very small, if you are lucky, maybe one in a billion, then maybe somebody will pay you. But technically I would say I would not go for this concept if I want to find a way to make money online. Okay, but yes, because we are doing the review, so from my end, if you know a few things about NFTs, then you the next step for you is that you go ahead, watch the video, watch this demo video actually. So if you are into NFTs already, then go ahead, play this demo video, and I will leave the link of this demo video in the description below of my video. You can find there, and I will show you. So technically this software gives you some automatic these NFTs. Here you can see these kind of NFTs you will get. Okay, but I do not know how do you make any money with it, and with my sixth sense, with my experience, you will not, I mean, nobody will make any money with this. Okay, because if you see here, it says results are not typical. You may get worse, better, or no results at all. Not financial advice. Info about NFT collection sales is just a report on what happened. Okay, so guys, they are washing their hands from this. So technically, yes, you will not make any money with it. And as I said, you will have to be one in a billion, okay, so that somebody will like your art and then they will pay you millions. All right, do not take it as a full-time business, or do not think you will make some money with it. If you want to make money online, there are more simpler ways on the internet, and even for those ways to work for you, you need to have some skills. Okay, so let's go ahead and get through the sales page quickly, because you can take a look, you can take a look at the sales page, all the features here. And as I said in the beginning, I have no experience with NFTs, so I will not talk, I'm nobody to tell you what is there on the sales page and what is not. But anyways, the price is too much, 277 for it's too much. Okay, nobody's gonna buy this anyway. And what else? We have some FAQs here, right? Where are the FAQs? 277 490 is too much, nobody will buy it anyway, I know that. And do I have to install an NFT? No, it's a cloud-based. How much do update cost? Nothing. Do you provide video tutorials? Yes. And how do you get support? Visit the support website. Do you have money back guarantee 30 days? Is there a Twitter account we can follow? Yes. And is there an NFT collection maker Discord server I can join? Blah blah blah. So yes. Now let's go ahead and try to show you the parts of the demo video. And if I fast forward, so first of all, I will go ahead and leave this link of the demo video in the description below of my video. So if you click on show more, you will find a link there where it says watch NFT collection maker demo here. Click on that link and then play this video, watch it till the end. It's like 3.5 minutes long video. Okay, and one thing which I have noticed for now, that it's not secure. So the the website where they are showing you the demo, the dashboard, it's not secure as of now. Later on, if they fix it, I don't know, but right now in their demo, the website is not secure. Okay, somebody's at my door. Let me close my doors. Let's close it. Right, so here you come back to the demo again. Now it's again something technical, and I don't know what they're doing inside because I have no experience with NFT. So don't worry, go ahead and play the video, and if you are from the NFT background, you might know what they are doing here. If you are like me, you have no background with NFTs, then you will be like shocked as me. Okay, I'm not shocked, but yeah, it's something new I have seen. And technically from here, yes, from here I started to understand what they're trying to do. So they are trying to give you some done for you NFTs. You can see here some here. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. Okay, and then eventually you will have 3,000 done for you NFT arts or NFT images or NFT collections, whatever you call them. Okay, so here you can see, you can click on your you can create as many projects, and you can generate thousands and thousands of NFT collections in the matter of 5 seconds. Okay, what will you do with this? I don't know, maybe just print them out or use them as stickers, because yes, making money is not really possible, because you first of all do not get into something which you don't know. So if you have never heard about an NFT, then stay away. Okay, if you have made money, using NFT before, then only go ahead, watch the demo video and see if this can help you or not. So I am here only giving you an overview. Even I am not an expert in on this particular subject, but I know enough that will this make any money for anybody or not. So again guys, if you have not done anything with NFTs, stay away. And if you have some experience with NFTs, then take a look at the pricing here, and just decide for yourself that okay, if you invest $277, then will you be able to get your investments from this software or not. Okay, so I will leave the link of the demo video, watch it till the end, and then only you will figure out if this is useful to you or not. Okay, to me it seems nonsense to me, because see, this is with NFTs you make money with your luck. Okay, if you are 1 in a billion person, then out of luck you might get 1 or 2 sales. But again, this is not the way to make money online. Okay, if you want to make money online, there are 3 golden ways to make money online. First is YouTube, which is I'm doing. Second is blogging, which anybody can do if you know how to do it. Third is email marketing, if you have enough money. Okay, so first of all, choose what your skill is, whether you want to start with email marketing and invest some money in growing your email list and buying some solo ads, or whether you want to write blogs for 2 years, or you want to start your YouTube channel like me and start making money from day one if your channel gets monetized. Okay, so the only problem you might face that you will not have those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So I can help you with that. I can help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks. And for that, you can check out the first two links in the description below of my video. So the first link says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and click on that link. And second link says make money with the kiss jacking. Okay, so kiss jacking is for beginners, for newbies who are trying to learn how to make money online and they have never made a sale on the internet. So kiss jacking is suitable to those people. And first one, Traffic Jarvis, that's a hardcore YouTube course if you want to learn how to get your channel monetized quickly and how to start making money on YouTube and get your channel monetize and start making money with your views, like more money with less views. Okay, so YouTube is not about getting hundreds and millions of thousands of views to make money. No, even if you make 50 views, 100 views, those views can still give you some money. Okay, that's what I am talking about in these two courses. So go ahead and check out the first two links in the description below. Click on Traffic Jarvis and click on kiss jacking and watch those videos till the end. Okay, because information in the videos is free, there's no charge to watch the videos, right? So first of all, go ahead, watch these two videos in the description below, Traffic Jarvis and kiss jacking. And once you have watched those videos till the end, then you will understand how to make real money online, because these kind of concepts, NFT collection maker or whatever, this is something which is not common. Okay, a common man, a common person, a normal user like you and me will not try to complicate things for themselves. Okay, you don't need to get into something which you don't understand, right? So NFTs, NFT, whatever this is all crap, waste of time for me, at least for me, because it doesn't interest me. And again, they're saying here clearly that results are not typical. You may get worse, better, or no results at all. So they are actually washing their hands. So whether you buy this or not, there's no guarantee you're gonna make money. Okay, so I will say skip this, don't buy, because if you have to invest $277 or $477, whatever the amount is, if you have to invest that much money, invest that much money to grow your skill. Don't invest that much money to buy some third-party software. And there's no software in the world which will make money for you. I tell this in my every video. Do not depend on some third-party software or some other websites to make money for you. Only you can make money for yourself if you have some skills. Okay, so maybe go ahead, learn how to make YouTube videos, how to write blogs, how to make websites, how to do SEO, how to do email marketing. Learn and master one of the skills, and then you can apply the strategies to make money practically. Okay, so from my end, if you are into NFTs, then decide for yourself if you need this or not. Watch the demo as well, first of all. And if you are not into NFTs, then skip this option. Don't buy it, don't waste your money on this, because you don't know what are you getting into. Okay, and if you really want to make money online, then check out the first two links in the description below, Traffic Jarvis and kiss jacking. And in the end here, we're gonna go ahead and talk about some bonuses now. Alright, now before you go to this website called idplr.com, as you can see at the top, now before you open this website, make sure you go to the videos of other YouTubers whosoever is offering you a bonus. Okay, now I do not have a problem if somebody is offering you some bonuses, that is fine, but I do have a problem when somebody is putting a price tag on those bonuses. Okay, so somebody's might he's might gonna say that I'm giving you a $10,000 bonus, somebody might say it's a $20,000 bonus, somebody might say a random number. Okay, so that's where my problem is, because who gave you the right to put a price tag on those bonuses? Okay, did you spend those $10,000 to buy those bonuses, and then are you offering for free? So if you purchase those bonuses for $10,000, then why don't you do me a favor, go ahead and transfer me those $10,000 bonuses and keep those softwares to yourself. Okay, so leave these kind of comments below the videos, whosoever is giving you a $10,000, $20,000 bonus. Okay, so tell them, hey buddy, I've seen your video, I have seen your review, and you're offering so many bonuses, so do me a favor, instead of giving me these PLR or ebooks or softwares, why don't you go ahead and transfer me that money into my bank account, or just PayPal me that money. Okay, so leave these kind of comments, have some fun, because you need to tell them that you know what they're doing. Okay, show them the mirror that you can't do this anymore in 2021 now. Okay, everybody is being smart. You have to be alert on the internet and stop worrying about bonuses. But because I'm giving you this website called idplr.com, and there are many more other websites similar to this which you can go ahead and search about. And once you find all those websites, or let's say once you go onto this one, idplr.com, you go to the section called free products. Under free products, you have free ebooks, free software, free videos, free audio, free graphics, free templates. Okay, now whatever you want from here, you can click on the category. If you want some free ebooks, if you want some free software, if you want some free videos, whatever you want, click on that category, then you will see all those free ebooks. And then before you can download them, all you will need to do is you'll have to click on here on the top right, which says register for free. So register for free, create an account on this website, then log in, and once you're logged in, then you can download all these products totally for free. Okay, there's no charge. And then from now on, you can be a bonus producer. Okay, so stop looking for bonuses. From now on, you can throw away these bonuses on the faces of those people who are offering you bonuses. Okay, so if this is only one website I'm giving you, you can do your own research and find more websites similar to this. Okay, and that is how you can collect as many bonuses you want. You can use them personally if you want to, or you can start offering some bonuses from today onwards. Okay, so this is all about bonuses. Now in the end, we'll talk about the real deal here. The real deal is that how to get your YouTube channel monetized. Okay, because we are focusing on making money on the internet using YouTube, because YouTube is very powerful, right? I'll tell you why you should use YouTube, because YouTube, gives you multiple income streams. Okay, first income stream is that if your channel is monetized, then you make money with the YouTube ad revenue. YouTube pays you for all the ads which will come up within your video. Okay, so that's one income stream which is major, that okay, you run you get your channel monetized and then you run some ads within your videos and then you will get paid by YouTube. That's very good. Okay, second method is that if you're doing affiliate marketing, you can promote some products in the description of your videos, and if you get some sales, that's your second source of income. Okay, third is if you are a consultant. Okay, if you, let's say you're an accountant, you're a lawyer, you're a plumber, whatever you are, right? So you can offer your services to people online, or maybe to somebody locally in your area. So they will find you on YouTube, they'll come across your video, they will see what which services you're offering or what kind of consultation you're offering, and if they're interested, they will contact you, and that is how you can charge them. So this will be the third source of income. Okay, now I do not know any other platform which gives you multiple sources of income, at least 3 sources. Okay, so YouTube gives you that. If you don't do affiliate marketing, if you do not have any services or product to offer, then you still make money with YouTube ad revenue. Okay, so until and unless your channel is not monetized, till then you can do affiliate marketing and try to get some sales or try to offer some consultation services. And once your channel gets monetized, then you open that third source of income as well, which is YouTube ad revenue. Okay, that is why we talk about getting your YouTube channel monetized, right? Now if you're struggling to get those 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, or you want to start a new channel altogether, then make sure you watch this video till the end, because we'll talk about how to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 1 to 2 weeks, organically, ethically, and legally. And also we have something for those people who are not able to make YouTube videos for some reason. Okay, because we have to understand here, not everybody can come and speak in the mic, or not everybody is is comfortable in coming front of the camera, right? So YouTube may not be for everyone. I can understand, because you will have your restrictions, you will have your limitations, right? So you may not want to come on YouTube for whatever reason. So in that case, we have an option for you. You can do all this in the back end. Okay, back end means that whatever I'm doing right now on YouTube in video format, you can do all that in text format, and that's called blogging reviews. Okay, so blogging reviews means that whatever I'm telling you right now, so you can write all that on your website, and you don't have to speak, you don't have to come on the camera. You simply write a review on your website, you publish your review on the website, and whenever somebody reads your review, they will click on the affiliate links in between the blocks, in between your review page, and when they click on those links and when they buy something, you will get some affiliate commissions. Okay, and this has to be a long-term strategy, because when it comes to blogging takes time. So it will be long-term, but you have to start from somewhere. Okay, so we will show you how to get those reviews, because when I say write the reviews, you don't really have to write anything from your your own end or your own mind. I'll show you how to find the reviews from the internet, then make them unique, and then publish them on your website and blog. And that is how you can go ahead and write so many reviews every day, and eventually within a month or so, or 2, 2, 3, 4, whatever time duration will be, within in the long term, within 6 months or so, you will start getting results. Like you will start getting 1 or 2 sales every day if you work hard. Okay, so this is how you have to implement the strategy. If you can work on YouTube, very good. okay, then contact us and then watch the video till the end. And if you can't do YouTube videos for whatever reason, then choose blogging reviews. Okay, so now watch this video till the end. This is going to be very crucial to you, so make sure you watch the video till the end and do subscribe to this channel as well.